Hello, welcome to Ideas Session. As you all know, humans have lived on planet Earth for millions of years. They have a very dynamic relationship. In today's video, we are going to study the dynamic relationship of nature with early men. But before that, tell me, what do you see in this pic? Yes, water, which is a natural resource. Glass, which is a man-made resource. Okay, tell me, what other than water, which are the natural resources nature has blessed us with? Yes, air, sunlight, tree and many more. Now here is a question for you. Have the quality and quantity of natural resources suffered over the years? Yes. All these modern day environmental issues such as air pollution, water pollution, global warming, these are the evidences that yes, the quality and quantity of natural resources has suffered a great deal. But these problems were there in early men period also. Let's find out. Early men lived on planet Earth for millions of years ago. They are called primitive species also. Why they are called primitive? Primitive का मतलब है something very simple, basic. So they had a very basic life. And when we say basic life, it was basic because they barely had any knowledge of any technology. They did not even know how to grow their own food. So when they did not know how to grow food, they did not know any technology, then how did they survive? That's a good question. Their survival was solely dependent on environment. Oh, so if it was so dependent on environment, did they abuse environment? No, quite the contrary. Their relationship with nature was very intimate and very caring. They used Mother Nature only for utility purpose, only to fulfill their basic need, which is food, shelter and clothing. Hunter-gatherers are also called early men or prehistoric men, as we know that their civilization is 2 million years old. And as we discussed, they are also called primitive species. And since they totally relied on Mother Nature for their survival and they didn't know how to grow food, from where did they collect their food? By hunting, fishing, scavenging and gathering edible material. So through these ways they collected food and they survived. Now let's talk little bit more about early men era. The time period when early men lived on planet Earth, that period is called Stone Age. Stone Age started 2.6 million years ago and it lasted till Bronze Age started. Now Stone Age को Stone Age क्यों कहते हैं? That's a very interesting question. Stone tools were found which were used by early men during Stone Age. That's how this period got its name. पर early men को stone tool की क्या जरूरत थी? जैसे हमने पहले बात की कि उनके पास कोई टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, तो उनको कुछ तो टूल चाहिए था अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए. So what they did, जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज स्टोन है उसको उन्होंने यूज़ किया टू क्रिएट स्टोन टूल. अब ये स्टोन टूल वो यूज़ किस लिए करते थे? वो हंटिंग, फॉर फिशिंग एंड इवन फॉर सेल्फ डिफेंस. एक स्टोन टूल जो बहुत पॉपुलर था और कॉमनली यूज था उसका नाम है हैमर स्टोन. दिस वाज यूज्ड टू कट मीट, टू ब्रेक नट्स एंड बोन्स. एक और इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन जो हमेशा स्टोन एज एंड अर्ली मैन के बारे में पूछा जाता है कि व्हेन वाज द ओल्डेस्ट ह्यूमन टाइप वाज एवर फाउंड एंड वेयर इट वाज फाउंड. अब इस प्रश्न का एकदम प्रिसाइज आंसर देना तो बहुत मुश्किल है, बट आफ्टर ईयर्स ऑफ रिसर्च एंड स्टडीज scientists discovered that the oldest human type, the evolved human type, was found in Africa. And from there, they their close relatives were found in Asia and later on in Europe. There are certain myths also about early men. One of them is that they were not very clever people. Let's see how valid it is. जैसे हमने stone tools की बात की, जब उनके पास कोई tools नहीं थे, हमारे पास तो सारे modern tools हैं at our disposal to make our life comfortable. उनके पास तो कोई tools नहीं थे, so they did not give up. They devised, they improvised and created stone tools for themselves. Consider their situation. कैसी harsh conditions में वो रहते थे, right? So to consider that they survived in that harsh condition, they devised tools for themselves, gives us evidence that they were actually smart people, clever people. Another myth about them is they did not have any language, so they didn't know how to communicate. Okay, they did not have a evolved language, या उनके पास कोई evolved vocabulary नहीं थी. पर scientists discovered कि जिस caves में वो रहते थे, उसकी walls पे drawings हैं. Now drawing is a very evolved art, not everybody's cup of tea. तो उस drawing से हमें early men की life, उनके time period के बारे में इतनी information पता चली. तो जब उनके पास कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं थी, उन्होंने अपनी लैंग्वेज डिवाइस की टू कम्युनिकेट, एंड थैंक्स टू दोज ड्राइंग्स वी नो सो मच अबाउट अर्ली मैन. थर्ड myth, which is again a very interesting myth, that they lived with dinosaur. Well, sorry to disappoint you, dinosaurs were wiped out from planet Earth thousands of years ago, even before early men came to planet Earth. Let's talk about Stone Age timeline. As you are aware, the Stone Age started 2.6 million years ago and it lasted till Bronze Age started. That's a very, very long timeline. So Stone Age is divided here broadly into three categories. One is Old Stone Age, which is also called Paleolithic, and Middle Stone Age, which is called Mesolithic, and New Stone Age, which is called Neolithic. Because Old Stone Age lasted longest and it has long time period, it is further divided into three timelines. It's lower, middle and upper. The timelines are given here, like Lower Stone Age started like something like 2.8 million years ago and it lasted till 38,000 BCE. And Mesolithic timeline started 8,000 BCE and Neolithic timeline started around 6,000 to 2,000 BC. Now, here is a task for you. Find out the things that you find common with the Stone Age era and today's world. As much as you find it surprising that are there any commonalities, you will be surprised to know there are many. That's all for today's video. I will see you very soon in next video. Till then, happy learning.